I contacted Funko.com. What they're going to do is, because the box was damaged but the item inside was not, they're going to send me a replacement box. She said it's probably going to take until after Christmas to get here, but I will keep you updated. In a previous video, I opened up an order from Funko.com which included this Mickey Mouse Funko. But if you recall, the box was very damaged. It was ripped on the top, it was dented in the back and on the bottom right here, and the box is basically just destroyed. Look at this. I contacted Funko that same night and I asked if I could get a replacement. The actual Funko wasn't damaged, but the box was. And the box is 50% of the experience you're getting, especially if you collect them. And they know that. The representative that I spoke with said that she would be able to send me a replacement box, but keep in mind that I needed to keep the plastic insert. This came yesterday. I got a random tracking number and I was like, what is that? And it said it was from Funko, but I said I didn't order anything from Funko. Then I thought, wait a minute, what if it's this? And lo and behold, it showed up. Let's get this thing open and see how they did in the replacement. It's sliding around easily inside. Oh, look at that. It is perfect. So all I need to do is pop it out very carefully because this plastic is not even bent yet. That is brand spanking new. And then we're going to remove the plastic insert from this one. And we're going to put it in here. Look at that. Just like new. So I would like to say thank you, Funko, for giving me my replacement box with no trouble. Have you had any issues with any of your Funkos coming damaged? Did you have a good experience getting a replacement package for your damaged Funko box? Put it in the comments below. I'd love to hear if anybody else has had this happen. But until then, remember, no capes.